Welcome to Dakar Circuit, your premier destination for luxury on wheels, futuristic machines, and game-changing automotive experiences. From rugged beasts to rolling mansions, we bring the road to life with every review. Subscribe and buckle up, because this ride is always first class. Today, we step inside a masterpiece. A mobile palace that turns any highway into a red carpet and every stop into a 5-star stay. This is the 2025 Prevost Liberty Coach with Super Suite, and it redefines what it means to travel in style. Forget everything you know about motorhomes, because this isn't just a luxury RV. It's a rolling resort, a statement of power, prestige, and perfection. Let's explore why the 2025 Liberty Coach might just be the most jaw-dropping luxury motorhome ever made. Exterior design. First impressions. Absolutely commanding. The exterior of the 2025 Liberty Coach is sleek, aerodynamic, and undeniably elite. Its clean white bodywork with bold black accents flows like a superyacht on wheels. You'll notice the massive panoramic glass up front, sleek side cladding, and precision lighting that gives it an aura of authority. At over 45 feet long, the Liberty Coach doesn't just turn heads, it demands respect. But the real magic begins when the Super Suite slides out. With the press of a button, the body expands to reveal an additional upper living level, creating a genuine 2-story luxury suite on wheels. That's innovation at a whole new height. Interior experience. Step inside, and you'll forget you're in a vehicle. The interior of the Super Suite is where Prevost flexes its luxury muscles. Designed more like a private jet than a coach, this RV offers custom Italian leather seating, real hardwood cabinetry, and ambient LED lighting that sets the mood whether it's dawn or midnight. The living area is spacious, comfortable, and smart. Touchscreen panels control everything from climate to blinds to lighting. Multiple 4K TVs, premium sound systems, and satellite connectivity bring your favorite entertainment to every corner. And then there's the kitchen. We're talking high-end residential appliances, a full fridge, convection oven, induction cooktop, even a dishwasher. Everything is finished in brushed steel and marble, because compromise doesn't live here. Super Suite master bedroom and bath. Let's talk about the crown jewel, the Super Suite bedroom. This upper-level retreat is more than a sleeping space, it's a sanctuary. You get a full king-size bed, panoramic upper windows, built-in wardrobes, and personalized climate zones. It's luxury penthouse vibes in a mobile format. Just steps away is a bathroom worthy of a luxury condo. Heated floors, a full ceramic walk-in shower, real tile, vanity mirrors, and automatic soft close drawers. Every detail screams premium. Tech and performance. Beneath the beauty lies brilliant engineering. The 2025 Liberty Coach runs on a Volvo D13 powertrain, delivering smooth torque, surprising efficiency, and long-haul durability. Combined with active suspension, adaptive cruise, collision mitigation, and 360-degree cameras, it's as safe as it is comfortable. And yes, this is a smart RV. Voice-activated systems, satellite-linked GPS, remote diagnostics, and over-the-air software updates mean you're always connected and always in control. Luxury without limits. What makes the 2025 Prevost Liberty Coach truly elite is how it blends mobility with opulence. It's not just for road trips, it's for those who want to live on their own terms. Celebrities, athletes, executives, or anyone who refuses to compromise comfort for travel. Whether it's a weekend in the mountains or a month-long coast-to-coast journey, this coach turns the open road into your personal runway. The 2025 Prevost Liberty Coach with Super Suite is a rolling revolution, part mansion, part machine, 100% majestic. Is it practical for everyone? Absolutely not. But for those who demand the best and want to own the road in style, this is the ultimate statement. Let us know in the comments, would you live full-time in a rolling luxury suite like this? And if you loved this cinematic tour, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more luxury reviews every week, right here on Dakar Circuit. Until next time, keep your wheels spinning and your standards high.